Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade. I'm coming at you with a card share video, and I'm also going to share a couple of new items that I purchased recently. First up, from Graphic 45, they have a new collection out. It's called Life's a Bowl of Cherries. And so I purchased the ephemera pack. And of course, they don't tell you exactly how many pieces that you get in it, but here's a photo on the back. Shows you all the different pieces. I love Graphic 45 for its bold colors and really cute designs, but I had issues with this ephemera pack being that some of the items were off-centered. Like, for instance, the tags, you could tell where the hole is supposed to be, but it's off-centered from the actual hole. And then like some of the designs, you can see here how far to the left this printing was. So you can't really use it like as a postage stamp edge because you'll have to cut this off to make it look even. But of course, if you'd layered, then maybe you could layer something over the edge. And then here's another example of the hole being off-center. This was in a lot of the pieces. You just kind of, once you looked at them, you could figure it out. Like on this one, for instance, you know, at first glance, you really don't notice anything different or wrong. But when you start looking at the sizing, you can see that the left side is too far over. And so you have more of the blue on the right side. So it's like whoever or however they cut these out with the machine, it was too far over to the left. And then here's another example of like this pop top. Look how it has more of the design to the left. And then I think like some of the designs are super cute. You can kind of work with it. Like this one, it looks like it's too far down from, you see the red is cut off here where, you know, it's plenty at the top. And then one more example was this homemade cherry pie little ephemera piece. Super cute. But once again, the border is off because look how much border you have at the top and look how much border you have at the bottom. So that was the issue that I had with this set, and several of the pieces reflected this issue. Very disappointing because, you know, at least you want to start off with perfect pieces before you know, add them to your projects or you make them different. So that was the problem I had with this ephemera pack. And then I also bought some paper. And first up, I'm going to show you some of the cut aparts. I've already cut them apart, so I don't have a sheet to share with you, but I thought I'd share with you some of the actual cut aparts. I had this really pretty Life's a Bowl of Cherries large piece. And then some of the smaller ones were like this one. And this is super pretty. And just other pieces that cut out, you know, cut apart. Have a cherry on top kind of day. That's super cute. The same sentiment here with the blue. And like I said, just some really pretty cut aparts. Here's the postage stamps. And then some borders, strips. And then that pretty. And then some of the pop tops. So that was the cut up ephemera page. So let me show you some of the full size pages. So here is one that's called Picnic Time. Look at this pretty floral design, super pretty. And then on the flip side, we have this really pretty design. And then this one is called Cherry on Top. Really pretty, love how they incorporated that teal color. Then on the flip side, it's really pretty, a lot of teal. So I got multiple sheets of this. And then here's a super pretty polka dot. And then on the back, we have a whole bunch of cherries. It says Sweet Cherries. Really pretty. And this is called Pretty Please. And then last but not least design is my favorite. And this was called Hello Sunshine. So this right here is, you know, what Graphic 45 is all about. Really pretty colors. Awesome design, just very vivid. And then on the flip side of that is another pretty design. And this last sheet is called Hello Sunshine. So I wanted to share those sheets with you of 8 by 10, 10 by 12 cardstock. Is it? I think that's the size, 12 by 12. Having a difficult time here. So I wanted to show you a couple of cards that I made with the set. And I also used, in making these cards, these borders that I picked up from Pretty Pink Posh, these eyelet borders. I shared these with you on a couple of videos ago. And then I also used the Spellbinders die set. Don't know what this one is called. Let's see if we have a name on it. Not sure. Maybe Fancy Edge Ovals. I think that's the name of it. Fancy Edge Ovals. And these are awesome. You have several different sizes here. 7, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I used that. And then I also used a new stamp set that I picked up from Honeybee Stamps. And this is called Buzzworthy Stamps and Dies. Really cute. I love the scripty font and then the little small ones. We have several on here. Hello, love, thanks. To know you so much. Sweet friend for everything. You have an A over here and a me and a so and a O and a I'm and a big. So you can make all kind of sentiments with this. Really like this. It's from Honeybees. And then let's get to the card. So the first one is just one of the pieces of ephemera I used. And then I used some of the Spellbinders glossy accents. I can't think what the name of it is called right now. But I used a little bit of that band. And then the paper. Just have the black cardstock from my stash. First card is pretty glossy. And the next one I used one of the ephemera pieces, Life's a Bowl of Cherries. And you can see it's kind of off a little bit, but I thought it was okay to use on this card. I used some Nouveau drops, and then here's that Pretty Pink Posh eyelet border. And the paper from Life's a Bowl of Cherries. And then the black border cardstock from a cardstock. Really pretty. And then we have this super simple one, and this is using the Honeybee stamp set, Buzzworthy stamps. And these are really cute. This is really cute. It has hello friends, and then here's the Spellbinders die, and then the black paper from my stash, and then once again the black Nouveau drops. But I love how simple this card is, but how pretty it is too. And then last but not least, I used the really pretty paper that I like the most from the Life's a Bowl of Cherries set. Really pretty. This is one of the ephemera pieces, and I just kind of let it blend in with the background, but let the cherries be over the edge here. And I used a little of the glossy accents, which is not actually glossy accent. Super cute. Sending you hugs. So that's it. So let me know what you think about the collection that I have. You know, I don't have the whole collection, just a few pieces and paper and the ephemera. But let me know what you think about the cards and which one you like the best. And I want to thank you all for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And of course, if you've been a subscriber for a while, thank you so very much. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.